Actually, it's coral blue number.
This is an emergency alert system transmission. National Weather Service, Liam Fox Weather, NOAA, the Kinemaster crew, and SJ Weather issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties: Redwood, Minnesota; Brown, Minnesota. Around 10:08 p.m. Central Daylight Time, 5 hours behind Universal Time Coordinated, on July 5th. This is not a test message. This storm could cause temperatures to drop by the mid-50s and high 60s. This is not a test message, but now